Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Steam account. Here is a quick guide on how to enable it. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam client or website and enter your account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner, then select account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enable Steam Guard. In the account details section, find the Steam Guard option. Click on Manage Steam Guard Account Security to proceed. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will have the option to receive codes via email or use the Steam mobile app for authentication. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen authentication method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification to finalize the process. Now your Steam account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible to avoid any login issues in the future.